So now we have tested pretty much everything in the system. We have tested two-way valves, we have tested the pressure sensor is working, we have tested the car is working, the PLC seems to be working. So there is just one thing to do, and it's to calibrate the system. The only reason you should calibrate the system is if you have changed the pressure sensor, you have changed the I/O modules, or you have changed the PLC itself. But in a normal situation, you don't need to calibrate the system because it doesn't uncalibrate by itself. There's a couple of things you need to think about calibration, and is you have to be completely sure that the system is with no leakages at all. You have to be sure, you have to test with soap water in every single coupling and just be sure that it is no leakage at all. You can check with in different ways, as we did with the CALM, how leakages can be tested. But to do a calibration, there is no way that you can have a leakage anywhere. Otherwise, you're just going to uncalibrate the system, and it's not good at all. So the first thing to do is to check in the CALM diag what is the calibration pressure. In this situation, in this occasion, is 1 bar, as you can see in the picture there. Then we go down with the DPI. So we turn off the supply. We connect us in between the line, so we can check that it's actually 1 bar, and exactly 1 bar. It's pretty important that we have the right value, because the system is going to read from that, of course. So now we go down to 1 bar. So now, as you can see, we have found 1 bar. So now it's time to calibrate the system. The first step is to turn the PLC into row mode, so to be sure that it's row mode. Then just check that everything is connected, everything is okay. In this case, for example, I found that this is not connected, so we move back to the normal position. Everything has to be up and running as it should. Nothing has to be unplugged, or everything has to be just up and running. Then we just turn it off, turn it on again, wait about 20 seconds, half a minute, and the trick is to wait until the system is like up and running. You know that the system is going to open every single valve one and one. Now it opens the first one, so now it looks like a right time to calibrate the system. So what you do is give a pulse to the system. It's actually a 1 second pulse, but this is just to show you that this lamp is going on. And now the system is being calibrated when this lamp, the 1-1, that's the name of it, it's on. Then the system is calibrated. So the next step to do now, just turn off the system again, go up with the pressure. With the pressure you should have, it's about 2.5 bars. Turn the system again, and this is in the run mode. Then the system is ready to go. Just to be sure that the system is being calibrated correctly, I recommend you to test with the CALM diag. So you just connect your laptop with the CALM diag cable, with the PPI cable, run the CALM diag, put the system in turn mode. You see the switch in the middle is called turn. Then you can see in the CALM diag this